नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सबका 100 न्यूज़ में। मैं तुलिका पांडे एक बार फिर से आप सबके सामने हाजिर हूँ। इस वक्त हम एक इवेंट में आए हुए हैं जो कि आईजीपीएल का इवेंट है और आज यहाँ पर क्रिकेटर युवराज सिंह आने वाले हैं। तो आइए चलिए आपको इवेंट में लेकर चलते हैं और देखते हैं क्या कुछ उनका कहना है इस इवेंट को लेकर। बेसिकली ये इवेंट गोल्फ को लेकर होने वाला है।
This is Yuvraj Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome a true sporting icon of our nation, Yuvraj Singh. Welcome, firstly, to the world of golf. You've been no stranger to it of late, hammering the ball a long way, but from the cricket field to the golfing greens, what excites you most about the IGPL? What is it about this entire format that made you take this step?
First of all, thank you for IGPL for having me on board, Mr. Mundy. Mr. Nice to see you. Definitely watching my video a few kilos down now because I have to play golf. And just to be really excited to be part of IGPL because I feel that golf needs to grow in our country. I think it should be part of our culture. When I was playing cricket, I always used to think that I could have played more matches, I could have done better. But I think when I started playing golf, I realized that probably that was my biggest regret, not starting golf at a young age. And obviously, played with a lot of golfers. My dear friend Shiv Kapoor is there. Learned a few cricketing, golfing lessons from him.
He's a pretty handy cricketer as well, man.
Yeah, I should take our coach to Jan there, otherwise he'll get offended. And try and get more shots from these guys now, learning the game. And I realized that it's such an amazing sport.
Yeah.
And and a golfer's life is so hard. When you're going on tour, that you have to pay your bills, you have to make a cut.
Yeah.
And in cricket, we had the advantage with BCCI that we, from the under 16 and the 19s, we never had to look after our daily allowance or renting a room and getting paid for whatever cricket you were playing.
Yeah.
So I think IGPL is providing that format to, especially the younger generation coming on board, that you don't have to worry about that.
Yeah.
And I think that will give a lot of confidence to younger talent to come on board. I feel going to the grassroots level is very important. And my foundation, UV has been supporting a couple of young golfers. But I think this is going to be a great format. I hope this changes the momentum of golf, because I think if you compare IGPL to say IPL, right? IPL changed the whole dynamics of Indian cricket and world cricket. And if IGPL can do that in golf, it'll be incredible to see that.
Yeah, that is the hope, to see the sport be revolutionized. And I think that's why we're here. I remember actually watching you test golf clubs for the first time, the first few times at Willingdon way back, and I know you now carry your set everywhere you go. So just a thought on the obsessive nature of the sport, because as you said, I think a key is to bring about more awareness to the sport, to make it more accessible, and that is one of the goals, isn't it, of the IGPL and yourself as well?
Yeah, definitely. I think it's a full tour, and then it's going to be the IGPL League, which is going to be fast, more paced, men and women both competing. Equality of the game, I think, is really important to motivate both men and women. And I think I really hope it changes the face of golf in India, and I'm sure it's going to, because the chairman Vijay Reddy has put in a lot of effort, created an amazing and a big team to create something like this. Something like this, you can only think, you can have a dream about it.
Yeah.
But to put it together, it's a lot of work. So, the reason also that I've come on board is to, help the sport grow.
Yeah.
Obviously, I want to see, the budding golfers, the current golfers to go to, better levels of golf, whether it's Asian Tour, European or PGA. I just want to see a lot of the young golfers and our golfers do well. There are going to be Olympics coming soon.
Yeah.
It'll be great to have one of the guys getting a medal over there.
And a mixed team event, which is why this format is even better, I guess. So that helps.
Yeah, definitely it is. You know, golf is a global sport, and hopefully IGPL can make it really big in India and across the globe as well.
It helps to have someone who doesn't just talk the talk but walks the walk or swings the swing, we could say, in Yuvraj Singh as well. Yumipa, thank you so much, and we'll continue to chat on this as well. But while we are here, and we've already, I think, seen how special this moment truly is for Indian golf, we've also got two absolute stalwarts, as we said earlier, and it's only right that we bring up on stage Shiv Kapoor and SSP Chaurasia. See if we can do better, guys. Come on, all the way up. They're not in India very often. Shiv, let's start with you. We go back a long way, of course. I know you've had aspirations of seeing format changes in the sport of golf, league formats come in as well. How excited are you by the IGPL? It'll be nice to see more of you in India as well, on a personal note.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks, Ray. Thanks, everyone. We've got a great gathering here. Obviously, we've talked about this at length, about how golf needs something new, something innovative to make the sport really grow. You know, we've got a talent pool of 1 billion people. Everyone understands leagues. After the IPL, Indian sports fans understand what leagues are, but a 4-round golf format doesn't quite, resonate with people. So something like this, something of bringing women and men together in a format that's faster, quicker pace, and something that Yuvraj touched upon earlier, which was a huge point. You know, SSP and I were talking about it, that the financial security that it gives young professionals coming through the system. Everyone looks at the glamour side of golf and what you have to do, but you forget the times when we traveled in trains, sleeping on our golf bags, no guarantee of what you make. So to have that, financial security, to have the chance to play with the icons of your sport for the younger players, absolutely an amazing step, and I'm excited to be a part of it.
Yeah, I think for any sports person, that stability, that security is such a massive aspect of the sport. It allows you the freedom then to think about your game and not think about and worry about the rest of it. So yeah, great point. SSP, I know you've been a big proponent of change in golf as well. How important a step do you think this is to change the face of golf in India?
I think it's a great thing, to be honest, because I remember when I was start playing golf, I'm not getting the clubs, and now it's so much of changes. So it's a great thing, and I think IGPL, what IGPL does, I think is a great thing because of IGPL focusing more on the grassroots level player, like in school and colleges, which is very good thing. So I'm very excited about it, and the best part also, men's and women's playing together. That's a big change, I think.
It is. To see you guys back on the course as well here will be awesome to watch. Shiv, just on nurturing young talent, it's a big component of why this vision is so important to Indian golf. How much can it benefit the youngsters? As you said, rubbing shoulders with you guys, getting into the limelight, becoming household names, hopefully, of Indian sport. How important is that?
Yeah, no, it's huge. When I was a young kid, I would find the professionals and I'd be like this annoying little kid that would go to them and ask them every single question I could. How do you hit this shot? How do you do that? Today, one of my childhood idols come to me and said, Paji, kaise maarte hain shot, right? So I think to be able to pass on information, to be able to compare, I used to, SSP and I, for example, will still learn from each other. How do you hit this shot? And to be able to do that with the younger generation will be an amazing thing of being a captain of the franchise. But also I'll be learning back from them because the sport's changed. It's evolved. These guys are hard hitting. They hit the ball 340 yards, and that's not something I'm familiar with. So I think it'll be a bit of give and take.
Yeah, that man hits it a long way as well, so we'll be excited to see him take to the course at some point too. But guys, it's a lovely moment to grab a nice picture, a photo op. We've got a beautiful frame that'll come together as well to celebrate and to bring this moment to life. So guys, can we just have that in the middle and have everyone up the center? Sir. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you. We can just take a step forward while we set up the stage for a fireside chat. Actually, just before that, we've talked about the Asian Tour, we've talked about all the icons, the players, but I think it's only right that we actually get to understand calendar. It is time to golf on, guys. We can just set things up for the fireside chat. Shiv, while we do set up, I just want to have a quick continuation of our chat as well. Now, we've seen the fact that we're going across 10 cities, there's 11 events. How important is it that we have these touch points across the country? Because we've seen there's been a few golfing hubs, but the development of golf has to go to every part of the country, doesn't it?
I think part of the thing of IGPL is growing the sport to tier 2, tier 3 cities, going to cities you haven't been to before, and also take it international. You know, I think if you look up at the schedule, we've got Dubai, we've got Colombo. I think the experience that players get playing internationally can only help them become better players in the long run. So I think not just playing in your backyard and being comfortable, but actually getting out of your comfort zone, which all of us managed to go out and play in Europe and played all over the world. I think that only helps you become a better player in the long run. So I think that's part of the plan as well.
Yeah, I think looking forward to that being the case as well. Just going to flip these names around a little bit. Mrs. Champika Sayal. And also the Honorary President of the PGAI, Mr. Romit Bose. Guys, really nice to have everyone on this stage. I think in many ways these are the pioneers to drive the IGPL and the sport forward as well. Uttam, I'm actually just going to start with you yet again first up, because the IGPL Tour is set to kick off, as we've heard now, in Chandigarh in less than a week's time. Could you tell us a bit more about the goals for each of these city tours?
Sure, I guess the reason why we decided on the particular cities was, of course, keeping in mind a long-term thing with regard to the franchisee depth, city of choice, golf course of choice, but we've actually gone into all the metros. And what we plan on doing is, along with the tournament, of course, it's a competitive 3 rounds of golf that we have with a field of 48 professionals. But along with that is unlocked well with entertainment and lifestyle.
Nice.
So the thing is that we want this integrated format to be showcased in all the cities. Especially this is a new format that we have to go into Chandigarh, where we have men and women professionals competing together, which is a new thing altogether for us. And that is one. And secondly is that every city we are engaging with the new fans, with the non-golfing people, the spectator-wise. We are doing a lot more by having a fan zone, putting up simulators, some competitions during the tournament, which engages well with the non-golfing people as well. We're also going into schools in advance. A couple of schools we plan on picking up in each city that we go. And a few days before, unfortunately for tomorrow, we had an event at one of the schools in Chandigarh. But because the school closure till the 7th, that had to be shelved. But yes, putting up hitting bays, putting up a simulator, getting the kids to be engaged with that, taking 2 of our top pros to engage with the kids, spend 2 hours of question answers. There are a lot of things that is being put in place. So that is something very exciting which we will take along to each and every venue.
I think that's exciting because, as we all know, and anyone who's played the game will know, you're 1 strike away from bringing you back to the golf course. That's all you need. 1 clean strike and you're back for another long round, sometimes longer than you'd like as well. But Champika ma'am, lovely to have you here. He spoke about the inclusivity of the IGPL. How important a step do you think the IGPL is to elevate women's golf as well? I think it should be on. I think it should be on already.
Good afternoon, everybody, members of the media, IGPL, dignitaries, and everybody present here. I'm quite proud to say I'll probably be the oldest person in this room, especially walking along with golf. It kept me young, that's important. As far as the IGPL is concerned, I think it's an awakening. It's an awakening, it's a legacy, and it's something which augurs very, very well for the future generation of golfers in our country. Not only the men, but the young golf players that we have been nurturing for the last 20 years at the WGI. We've kept ourselves as an organization with a very simple, very simple message that we want every girl in this country, every golf player, to be able to step on a path which is going to make them more confident and going to gear them up for the future on international tour. And I think IGPL has got the correct mix for our players, for mixed doubles, for the building of something very important, and that is team spirit. The team spirit that is going to come out from the IGPL is crucial, it is critical. All of us who have played golf here, it's quite clear that golf is an individual sport. However, I think with the staging of the IGPL and the creation and the way it's going to span out, it is absolutely fantastic. And I'd like to congratulate the sponsors and the whole thought behind this, the IGPL. And like I said, I heard somebody say just recently, just a little while ago, that the whole world, including the IGF, India is a step ahead. Not only that, but now, when India talks, the world listens. And I think the golf world is going to see something quite amazing, and it's going to be fantastic for the women. In the future, we're going to see lots of young girls, even from the Asia Pacific region, who might be invited to our tournaments, and we look forward to that.
That's fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you for those words as well. Vivikanji, this is exactly what we've been talking about, right? A new avatar for the sport as well. You've had a legendary career in a team sport of cricket. What parallels can you draw with your newfound love for golf? As you said, it's made you fitter in some sense as well. You're still hitting it an absolute mile. But what are you loving about the parallels between the two sports?
Well, the love for the game, I can say that I just had a slip disc playing too much golf.
We have something in common.
Yeah, exactly, and just trying to get fitter and getting back just to play golf. I think in cricket you used to, probably when you were younger, it's easier. When you get older, you have to work harder on your body.
Yeah.
But I think the love for the game, as I just spoke about it, how it started, when I stopped playing cricket. As I said, I regretted if I was started early. And I think, as ma'am said, IGPL is going to be, it's going to be a new world of golf, and a lot of young men and women, youngsters competing in the world of golf. And I think this is what golf needed in India.
Yeah.
Somebody to come and support the game of golf, and tell the guys and tell the girls that listen, go and play golf. Don't worry about anything else.
Yeah.
We're going to come and support you, and just go out there, perform, try and get to the best level, try and be the best. As a sportsman, if I'm playing any sport, I want to be the best in the
Absolutely.
world, not only just best in my city. I think IGPL is going to give you that platform to be the best in the world and play the league as well. Yeah. And hopefully IGPL becomes such a great league like an IPL that in the next 5 years guys don't have to go anywhere.
Absolutely.
People want to come and compete in IGPL. So I think that's the whole thought process. Mr. Mandi obviously explained the vision behind the tour, the league, and the grassroots level, what they want to do with schools, and just how you can tell the locals to come and play the sport, experience it, new people to experience the sport, fans of cricket to come and support the sport if some other cricketers come and play as well.
Yeah.
And just grow the sport in India. That's the whole point around this.
Yeah, and that is a key part of why the IGPL has the legs as well. Romit, I just want to come to you as the president of the oldest body in the sport of golf in India. How momentous is this occasion? How much is this going to play a significant role in how the sport takes shape in the future in India.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone, at table, dignitaries, and members of the media. I represent an association called the Professional Golfers Association of India. I am basically just a custodian of its legacy. The legacy started in about the 1980s when the PGA of India started the golf professional tours. Through those tours, we built golf the way it is. The Indian fabric of professional golf was built over the years. We had champions. We had the Basad Alis, we had the Rohtas Singhs, we had the Arjun Atwal winning the PGA Tour event. We had Shiv Kapoor, we had Yashasvi Chaurasia, we had Uttam Singh Mundi himself. We had many more, many golfers over here who represented the country in the world of professional golf. Today, we do a lot of other work behind the scenes. We develop the professionals, the golfing professionals. So we support the people who actually bring golf to us.
Yeah.
It's the greenkeepers, the course architects, the caddies, the caddy masters, all the guys who work behind the scenes tirelessly to make something like this actually come on to the top. So that is where we do our work, and our association with the IGPL is on a platform where we have kind of given rebirth to the PGA of India. We are going to be very closely working with them at the grassroots to develop all these ancillary areas which give golf its glamour.
Yeah.
And definitely we would love to be part of this association, and we are launching this tour now, and I think this is the best thing that we could do in the new era.
Fantastic to hear, and really looking forward to that partnership coming alive.
तो जैसा कि आपने देखा इवेंट में यूवी पाजी आए, उन्होंने अपने इंटरेस्ट को लेकर बताया कि कैसे उनका इंटरेस्ट जगा गोल्फ को लेकर, और साथ ही साथ उन्होंने आईजीपीएल को आईपीएल से भी कंपेयर किया है। आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं।